I'm not affiliated with any of the companies I mentioned in this video. For those who are considering buying a tuk-tak, you may take a look at two new options that are under $500. There are two foldable kayaks at Kickstarter selling under $500 each. The first one is the ORU's latest boat called the Lake, and the other one is ONAK from Europe called BATO. The Lake is very similar to ORU's Inlet, with the width of 32 inches. It is a very stable boat for beginners. It's about a foot shorter than the Inlet, but the best part is it's almost half the price. The Lake doesn't come with the footrest. The bow and the stern do not have the jacket or cover. There's also no bulkhead. All this helped to reduce the weight of the boat to around 18 pounds. The fold size for transportation is about 42 inches by 10 inches by 18 inches, which is the same as the Inlet. Its weight capacity is at around 250 pounds, and the Inlet claimed to be able to handle 275 pounds. I expect the Lake behaves similarly to Inlet, even though the Lake has a flat bottom and also a foot shorter. If you want to get the boat at under $500, you have to be quick. To pledge at the Kickstarter, they will start shipping the boats in August this year. The second foldable boat is from Netherlands. ONAK has built quite a few foldable boats, and this new one called it BATO. The folding method and stiffening of the boat is very similar to my Gen 15 design. You can get more information in building my foldable boat at my website. The boat is almost 9 feet long and 32 inches wide. The storage size is 20 inches tall, 47 inches long, and around 5 inches wide. The boat has an inflatable seat and weighs about 15.5 pounds, and it can handle a weight capacity of 265 pounds. It has an interesting hull shape with triangular folds at the bow and also at the stern. The BATO allows buyers to pick two-tone colors, which is nice. It comes with more parts, and they claim they can assemble the boat in 5 minutes. The cost is under $500 US plus another $100 of shipping, and they will ship around August this year. Please let me know which one you like to buy, the BATO or the Lake. Again, thanks for your support and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done so, please do, so you will be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.